Hi everyone! I have you in the kitchen with me today making cutout cookies. A reminder to subscribe, hit the little bell so that you get a notification when a new video comes up. The recipe I am sharing will be in the comments below. Always remember to not tell yourself you can't do something unless you gave it a try and then practice for a bit. Leave me a comment on how you have been keeping motivated this winter. I've had my cookie dough made ahead of time, so let's get started. Okay, take out a ball of the dough that you can handle, whether that be half of the recipe or a quarter of it, and start rolling it out. I also flour my table before I get started. The nice thing about this recipe is that you do not have to refrigerate it. As you can see, it wants to come up, so when it comes up for me, I just pat it back down and keep on going. And I'm actually going to take and cut off of the big hunk of this over here. Sometimes I think I can handle something bigger than what I should. I usually roll this out to about, I think it's about 1/8 of an inch. Could be a little bit more. And I've chosen the springtime cutters. So I thought maybe the girls, my granddaughters, will like this, and the boys. And this is also a great recipe to use for Easter cookies. So I'm going to do some carrots in here. I love making these cutout carrots. I'll have to show you then how I decorate them. And the decorating of these is really simple. Quite often when we think of cutout cookies and we see them, we think, oh, they're just so cute. And what makes them cute is usually the decoration. And then when it comes time to decorating, then we feel like, oh, I don't feel like decorating. But I'm going to show you a very simple way to decorate. Okay, I'm going to scoop them up with my good old pancake flipper. I got this at a thrift shop, and I'll tell you, I love it because it's very thin here on the edge, sharp, not sharp enough to cut you, but it's really a nice one to have. I like to use this to scoop up my cookies and scoop my cookies off of the cookie sheet when they come out of the oven. So anyway, yeah, give me a comment below. Let me know what you like to scoop cookies with. Okay, so I baked them for exactly 10 minutes at 350. And now it is time to take them off their tray. The next part is the part that we've all been waiting for, and that's the decorating. Okay, so what I've mixed up here is a glaze that is 3 cups of powdered sugar and 1/3 cup of water, and it also has 1/4 of a teaspoon of almond flavoring into it. So anyway, you can put any kind of flavoring in it that you want. I like to use almond because it just makes things taste so yummy. I'm stirring this up, and I'm going to divide this up in probably 4 different containers for 4 different colors. Okay, I was to the local bulk food store and got myself some of this sanding sugar. It is so pretty, and these spring colors are just fantastic. Okay, so you've seen me having some fun here with my sugars and my glaze. You may not have a basting brush. Not everybody has a basting brush, so I'm just going to show you how you can use it with a spoon. But also, you can just get a little bit more creative and kind of blend your colors together on your cookie. Okay, for the sheep, I'm just going to do them white for now. And I'm going to use my spoon here to just spread it. Okay, I have put frosting in a piping bag. This is a great tool to always have around the house. And also for this project, you can buy your frosting if you want to. So I have got frosting, and it's going to be a thin tip that I'm using here. And I'm just going to do some curlicues and make my cookies look whimsical. This has been a fun and relaxing time for me in the kitchen. I hope that I've inspired you to get out your spring colors in the kitchen and make yourself some Easter cookies or some spring cookies or some for the neighbors, family, whatever it may be. They make great gifts, don't they? Leave a comment below and let me know what you like to make for Easter.